So this is the tech app. I'll click it, and it's going to say that this application has not been trusted yet. Apple doesn't recognize it. It's not trusting it. No problem. We'll go through a very simple trusting process. So at this point, I'll click cancel. Then I'm going to click the setup icon right there. And I'm going to scroll down until I get to general right there. Then I'm going to scroll down until I see device management, which is right here. And what I'm doing right now, this is just a one-time setup. You won't have to do this again, just a one-time setup to let Apple or Android know that it's okay to install from Facility Solutions Group. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click that again. And then I'm going to click Trust Facility Solutions Group. Are you sure? Yep. Let's trust it. It is now trusted. So I'm going to hit my home button again. So now when I click the Tech App icon, the Tech App splash screen appears, opens up to this screen.